So let's fix up this garage in this video and get it looking the way it should. We need to drop these walls down and then drop the doors down as well. Okay, so if we go back to our main floor drawing, we're going to edit these walls. Okay, and you notice these walls still have an offset here of 11.625 inches. That's because that's what the floor system thickness is. So if I set that to 0, but I add that 11.625 up here, this wall should come to the right height. So we click OK and go into our textured and we look at that back wall. That's exactly what it should look like. So we want to edit the rest of the walls like that. So go back to your main floor. If you double right mouse click, you get this little window that pops up with some handy tools that we use quite often. There's also a repeat edit in here. And what that does is it edits everything based on your last edit. So I click on that and click on this wall and this wall and this wall. It should adjust them all like I did this first wall here. So let's go into our texture and take a look. So now my garage is pretty much fixed. Now I'm just going to drop the openings down. Okay, so let's go back into our main floor. Edit one of these openings, click on the door. Okay, so the door right now, the offset stuff is down here. So if I click on offset, I'm allowed to get access to this. And basically what we want is we want the bottom of the wall to the bottom of the opening to be down 12 inches because that cross, if you remember, is 12 inches deep. So we want the bottom of this door and the bottom of the wall to be a difference of 12 inches. So go back into edit, come down here and set this to 12 inches or 1 foot, whatever you prefer to type in. And you want to make sure it's down. So it does that. Okay. And if we click on textured, there's that door there, and you can see it's at grade. Go back to main floor, double right mouse click, repeat edit, do the same with the garage door. And now we have an effective garage design. So our grade level, garage is at grade level so I can drive in, and my main door is up a little bit higher because I have a floor system in here ready to go. And you can see the difference in there. There's the concrete, there's the wood floor. Okay, and that's how you clean your house up so that you have a foundation, main floor area stacked with your garage all cleaned up and ready to go.